There it is. First one of the day. It looked like a brown. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, that's a brown. Doing them head shakes. It's heavy. Oh, it's freaking out. Oh, taking me down. There it is. There it is. Oh boy. Alright, so here we go. First fish of the day. Me and Carly are out here on the river again. Looking for steelhead, but we're not ever mad when we catch a nice brown. Nice beat up, spawn down, mama. Yep. Gonna let her go. Oh.
Oh, and she's gone.
Like a bullet.
Sweet.
Right. So,
nice fish.
That's good first fish. Good way to start the day today, Carly.
Yep. Nice warm sunny day.
Oh, it's supposed to be nice out today, so we're gonna bounce around a bunch of spots today and see if we can catch more than we caught yesterday.
And we're gonna enjoy it.
All right. Fall in the river.
I know.
There it is.
Yeah.
There.
Okay. You're welcome.
There it is. Oh my God. Dude. That was a mega far drift too. Oh, it's coming towards me fast. Oh my God. That was ridiculous. I will say that Carly wanted to come to this spot, not me. Shooting all the way across. Was it big? Because it like went ape shit. No way! Why? Carly. Well, that sucks. I lost it. It was really big too. Why does that happen to me? There it is. That was really weird, huh? That was really weird, Carly. I have no idea. I don't know what just happened. I got a steelhead though.
One more time for me.
Come on, mister. That was the weirdest catch ever. I was just reeling in and all of a sudden my bobbers was down and I got one.
Gorgeous fish.
Sweet. Weirdest, my bobber didn't go down, I just started reeling and it was on, but we'll take it. Beautiful fish.
Yep.
They fight so hard.
All right, gonna be hard to let them go right here, but be careful.
Oh boy, we're gonna let him go. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, and he's off.
There it is. Carly. Come on. I don't know, I think it's a brown. Oh, nice fish. No, that's different. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Look at that beautiful fish.
Look at the colors.
Awesome colors.
Fresh looking, not beat up.
Gotta love it. Gotta love spring. We've been grinding today. Just bouncing around all over. Look at those beautiful colors. Let them go.
Sweet.
That was off. Looks like a decent one. Nice.
Same brown.
No way. Nice. Heck yeah, Carly's hooked up. Carly's on. Okay, that. Okay, That's 100% the same brown. Carly just caught the same brown that I caught. That's so awesome. Does that one look familiar to you guys? Look at it. That's a beautiful fish. Really? Again, it really is again. But I know it's the same fish I just caught because of this marking right there on them.
All right, we're gonna get them back.
We're gonna put them back for the second time today.
Catch and release is important,
Catch and
guys.
release.
And he's ready to go.
Oh, and he took off again for the second time today. And that is why catch and release is so important out here. I see a lot of people walking away with fish. But look at it. I caught that fish on my drift just up here 20 minutes ago, and then Carly catches it now downriver. And it was fun both times. So that's what's up. It's a steal. See a lot of head shaking. Nice job, Carly. Get him. Oh, Steely. Nice.
He does not want to come in.
You got no choice, buddy. Oh. Woo. He's coming. No, it does not want to give up. In the basket. Nice fish, Carly. Nice. Beautiful. Steelhead.
Gorgeous little buck.
Nice job, Carly.
He's about to go back.
Oh yeah, he's still pretty feisty.
You ready? Come on.
Sure. Come on. Woo, screamer. It paid off at the end of the day for us, Carly. Yeah, it's a steal. It's not a big steal, but it's a steal.
That's all that matters. Can we get a quick next one?
Oh, it's decent. Nice. Oh gosh. Oh, it's all wrapped up. Bad things happen. Bad things happen when they wrap up. Here we go. Nice. At the end of the night.
Nice, chunky little ball.
Yeah, that's legit. Heck yeah.
Sweet.
Nice.
No way. I got good pics.
Well, that's that. That was a fail. I was just trying to rinse it off. It got a little muddy. So you guys didn't get the best look at that last one, but that's all right. It was a nice fish. That's how we're gonna end the day right there. It was a good day on the river. We bounced around. We ended up with 3 steelhead and 2 or 3 browns or something. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next time.